Vedic maths. Squaring digits ending in 5. Let's take for example 35 times 35. So first let's divide these into half like this. For the first part of our answer, we're gonna look at the one section or the unit section. It's 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. That's the first part of our answer. We put 25 whole down there. Next, you may think we have to do 3 times 3, but no. In this method, there we have to do something called one more than the one before. So when we come to the tens place, we have to multiply the number times the number after it. So what's after 3? It's 4. So we have to do 4 times 3, which is 12. That's our answer. Now let's check it on the calculator. Let's try calculating it and see if we got the right answer. So 35 times 35. And our answer is 1225. Wonderful! We got the same answer. Now let's try another example. Let's take 105 times 105. We're gonna separate it only the units place like this. 5 into 5, 25. Then we're gonna go to this 110th place. It's a 10. So 1 more than 10 is 11. So 10 times 11 is 110. So this is our answer. Let's check it in the calculator. So the equation was 105 times 105. And the answer is 11025. The exact same answer we got. Yippee! I hope you now understood how to square digits ending in 5. If you still have trouble understanding, watch the video again. Other than that, goodbye.